Hi students, in the previous recorded sessions we discussed about the mysterious zeta bit. Today in this class we shall be dealing about Hector collector. It's Hector the collector. Hector the collector. So here Hector is a noun, means it's a name of a person, and collector means one who collects things, one who collects things. For example, I love to collect books. We usually say I love to collect books, or I love to collect bags. I have a good collection of clothes. I have a good collection of slippers or sandals. Or you also say that I have a good collection of some antique things and all. So that's nothing but Hector the collector. Firstly, let's go through the poem. Hector the collector collected bits of string, collected dolls with broken heads, and rusty bells that would not ring. Students, in this class also I am telling you the word W-O-U-L-D. Here is not would. Here L is silent. It is would. C-O-U-L-D is could. S-H-O-U-L-D is should. In all the three letters, L is silent. Okay? And rusty bells that would not ring. Bent up nails and ice cream sticks, twists of wires, worn out tires, paper bags and broken bricks, old chipped vases, half shoelaces. Again, the word half, L-H-A-L-F, matlab adha, is not half. We usually say as half. L again here is silent. Half. Old chipped vases, half shoelaces, Gatling guns that wouldn't shoot, leaky boats that wouldn't float, and stopped at horns that wouldn't toot, butter knives that had no handles, copper keys that fit no locks, rings that were too small for fingers, dried up leaves and patched up socks, worn out bells that had no buckles, lecturing trains that had no tracks, airplane models, broken bottles, three-legged chairs and cup with cracks. Hector the collector loved these things with all his soul, loved them more than shining diamonds, loved them more than glistening gold. Hector called to all the people, come and see my treasure trunk. And all the silly, sightless people come and looked and called it junk. Here, you can see here, he has collected so many things. Hector, the collector, has collected so many things. Like usually we collect other things, we also collect some things which are really, which we like it. Like that, what Hector has collected. Let me see for it. Firstly, Hector the collected bits of strings, collected dolls with broken heads. What he collected? Firstly, he collected the strings. Why are they strings? Secondly, he collected the dolls. Dolls which are broken. Matlab, ab usually what we do, अगर doll यानी गुड़िया अगर टूट गई है तो हम उसे फेंक देते हैं, isn't it? So the टूटी हुई doll यानी जो गुड़िया टूट गई थी उन्होंने डॉल को भी कलेक्ट कर लिया. एंड रस्टी बेल्स दैट वुडंट रिंग. एग्जाम्पल, this is a bell, right? Usually ting ting, like जैसे घंटी बजती है. So he collected the bell. When we keep iron for the long time, because bells are made of iron. देखो इन्हीं तुम्हें लोहा से बनकर रहते हैं. अगर वो लोहा बिना इस्तेमाल किए वहीं पे लग गए तो जंग खा जाता है. तो जंग खाना इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं इसको? That is nothing but rust. It has rusted. So Hector also collected the bells that has rusted, which is of no use now. He collected the bells which does not ring. and also bent up nails and ice cream sticks. Nail, you know that, right? Nail. He collected. अगर अब हमें मारते रहती, like we are hitting with we are hitting the nail now. अगर हमें मेख मार लगी मतलब वो टूट गई, क्या करते हैं उसे उठा को फेंक डालती है, तो फिर बेंड होगी तो क्या करते हैं, उठा को साइड में रख डालती. एंड ऑल्सो ही ऑल्सो कलेक्टेड द नेल्स, बेंट नेल्स. अब आइसक्रीम खाते रहती. We usually eat ice cream, right? So ice cream candy की जो ice आते हैं, see, if this is ice cream, this stick, he also collected the stick, nails plus sticks, and twists of wires, worn out tires. टायर्स जो बाइसिकल में यूज करते हैं या फिर जो बस के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसके जो टायर्स होते हैं जो हम इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, विच वी रियली डोंट यूज इट, ही ऑल्सो कलेक्टेड द टायर्स एंड ही ऑल्सो कलेक्टेड द वायर्स, वर्न आउट वायर्स. अब यहाँ कुछ काम करते रहते हैं, यहाँ पर वायर रहती है, नहीं घर पर देखे रहती है आपको, अगर वायर है बोले तो वो इस्तेमाल नहीं है बोले तो हम उसको उठा के फेंक डालते. सो वर्न आउट वायर्स. वॉर्न मतलब टूटना. पेपर बैग्स एंड ब्रोकन ब्रिक्स. पेपर बैग्स मतलब यू हैव सीन टू कैरी पेपर बैग्स आते हैं. कोई से भी एक बैग ले लो जिसमें आप सौदा लेको आती, जो किराने के दुकान से जाके सौदा लेको आती, अगर वो इस्तेमाल नहीं होते तो क्या करते, उसे उठा को फेंकते नहीं. दैट ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेल हियर. ही ऑल्सो कलेक्टेड द, ओके, he also collected, let me write it here, I'm just drawing here, he also collected the paper bag. He also collected the paper bag. Then old chipped vases. Vases मतलब अब ये vase. अब ये टूट गई है, बोलो यहाँ से. It is broken now. So क्या होती है, वेस्ट होती है, उसे उठा के फेंक डालती. Then he also collected the vase. V-A-S-E is vase बोलती. क्या बोलती? He also collected the vases. Vases and half shoelaces. अब शू के लेस देखो ही, जो आप अपने यूनिफॉर्म के लिए अगर डालते हैं तो अगर शू के लेस जो आती, he also collected the vases and shoelaces. Okay. Then he also collected Gatling guns that wouldn't shoot. Here, Gatling guns means, here, Gatling guns means पुराने पहले गन्ना आते थे जो रिचर्ड गैटलिंग ने he had invented that one, and now we usually don't use it. When, as I already told you, when we don't use iron, it get rusted. क्या होता है, जंग खा जाता है, isn't it? So जंग खाना in Urdu, in English, that is rust hona. So here he also collected the vase Gatling guns. He also collected the Gatling guns that wouldn't shoot now, which we cannot use it. He also collected butter knives that had no handles. Have you seen this? क्या है? This is knife. And here K is silent. We start the word from N-I-F-E, knife. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? N-I-F-E is knife बोलते. So he also collected the, अगर आप ये हैंडल नहीं है बोले तो it's of no use, no? So he also collected the knives. He also collected the knives that had no handles. Copper keys that fit no locks. अब चुपके कीली है घर पर, कीली की. So if I'm not using this key, अगर इसका लॉक नहीं है बोले तो it's useless, isn't it? We don't use it. So he also collected the keys. He also collected the keys. Rings that were too small for fingers, dried up leaves and patched up socks. If my ring becomes very small, then we usually give for somebody else, or we throw it, isn't it? So he also collected the rings that were very small for the fingers. Now he also collected the dried leaves, जो सूखे हुए पत्ते थी. He also collected the सूखे हुए पत्ते and हमारे socks. Worn out belts that had no buckles. when you see the belt, जब बेल्ट तुम्हें देखती तो बीच का एक जो हैंडल आता है ना उसे बकल कर को बोलती, जो जिसमें बकल नहीं था, he also collected the belts. Electric trains that had no tracks. If you have seen the old trains which are not in use now, that's nothing but electric train. He also collected the electric train and airplane models. If the plane was hijacked or if the plane had a crash and it would have broken into pieces or shattered, then the left out things, the wreckage, we usually say that in wreckage, we call it as wreckage. He also collected the wreckage. He also collected the wreckage. And broken bottles, waste bottles, three-legged chairs and cups with crack. Usually the chair comes like this, isn't it? If there is only three legs and this leg is missing, then we don't use it. So he also collected the chairs and also cups with cracks. Now you imagine that this is my ice cream cup and it is broken. What do? I don't use it, right? So he also collected such cups. Hector the collector, he loves all these things. See, he loves broken dolls, rusted bells. He also collected broken nails and left sticks. He loved all these things. Okay? He collected. Now what he does in the sense, he loves more than gold this one. He loves more than diamond these things. Isn't it? But we love gold and diamond. But here, Hector the collector, he loves all these things. Isn't it? Like it's more than gold and diamond for him. And he called people, please come and see my treasure trove. Treasure matlab bahut daulat wale. Treasure is nothing but wealth. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E is treasure. It is treasure. You can see it here. Treasure matlab daulat. He called those people and see, all things are here. They've given here. See, broken doll is there. Airplane models are there. There are nails. There are so many things here. So he calls people and he asks us to see these things. So the people, the silly people, and he's calling people silly and sightless. उन्होंने अपने को दीवाने बोल रहा है. इन्हें खुद ये सब चीजें कलेक्ट कर को हैं. But Hector is calling people as sightless, blindless people, and the people who comes to see his treasure trove, they says this is a junk. This is a junk. इतना बोल को they call Hector दीवाने and they goes. What is the theme of this poem? क्या है ये poem की theme? We shall discuss it in our next class. Try to collect a few more ideas like what you love to collect. If you want to share me, you can share it or you can just comment it in the comment section like what the things you love to collect it. Or else you can also share like why he is calling people as sightless. Or you can also try to collect few more ideas of the things which you love to collect, which are unique things. Okay, and you have to go through the poem and you have to make a video or presentation of the poem. Then you can send me through WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye.